What is up, pyros, and welcome to our very first video on my channel. I want to thank you guys for tuning in to watch, as today we are going to be blowing up smallest to biggest firecrackers that I could find. Now, very obviously there are bigger ones out there on the market, but where I live, this is all I could find. So let's go ahead and light these. And I also have some smoke balls, because, you know, why not? So let's get these things set up. Alright guys, I got these all lined up. Got your basic firecracker, your adult snapper, the M150 Salute, M60. I don't know if this one is better than this one. And then we got the big one, the CAG. We're gonna start off lighting off. Let's start off by lighting off one of these little crackers. Alright, nice and small. How about see if we can get 3 in a row? Those are just your basic ones. Then we got these adult snappers. Let's see if they'll work if I throw them. Oh yeah, I think those are a little bit louder, and they got like a nice little spark to them. M150. Let's go ahead and light it. Move on to our M60 Salute. Oh, I think those are way louder. Let's go ahead and do both of these at the same time. Oh, I can only do one. My ears ring a little bit. And for our final one, the CAG, this one I gotta get back, so slide it off. Yo, holy moly, I felt that one. And looks like I messed up. I caused a dent on this little crate, so we're not gonna light the next one off in there. Next one off in this water over here. Right there. Put it right in the mud. Oh man, dude, those are awesome. Oh my gosh, dude, look at the crater. That's insane. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my very first video on this channel, guys. Pyros, I'm gonna be making a whole lot more videos coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. You know, and here's all these neon smoke balls. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.